Hi, I'm Matt from MaxTow Gauges. We get a lot of questions about what's included in the packaging in our diesel gauge packages. So today I'm going to walk you through what's included in our MaxTow Match dual gauge package for 4th Gen Ram trucks. So in this particular package, you're going to get a 60 PSI boost gauge and a transmission temperature gauge, both featuring a factory match display with a dimming button on the front. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm 60 PSI boost gauge with an analog and digital display with a dimming button on the front, and a 52mm transmission temperature gauge with an analog and digital display with a dimming button on the front. Also included in the packaging is a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a 9-foot temperature sensor harness with waterproof connector, a temperature sensor with waterproof connector, a 2-gauge power harness, transmission line T-fitting, Cummins Boost bolt adapter, pressure sensor, mounting brackets with hardware, gauge visor for sun glare, a complete replacement factory color match dual gauge pod with a pillar mounting bolt, and installation instructions. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit us at maxtow.com.